So in this video I'm going to be showing you the Mini 2, and what we're going to do, we're going to follow the car. Obviously you can't do that on the Fly app, you have to use a third-party app. I'm using the Maven app. I think the Maven app's a much better one. What I like about the Maven app, which you don't get on the Litchi, is as it's following the drone, it's resetting its home point. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to set the drone up. Now, I'm going to be honest, guys, I've had my Mini 2 for quite a few years now, and in Spain, it gets so dusty. And one of the major problems is getting it started, because the button, I think, because the button's underneath, it's not that easy to set up. So I'm going to get everything going, and then I'm going to spend probably about ages trying to get this drone going. Obviously making first, put a battery in there. Always being prepared, see, that's what it is. Okay, battery's in. So I'm always having this problem getting this drone connected. Now the plan is now, obviously what it's done, it's gone into my Fly app, but that doesn't matter because we can take out the Fly app. We go into the Maven app. It's gone straight in. Now usually what you get a picture of the drone comes up on the screen, you tap on it and then it goes in, but it's already gone in, so that's good. Now what we want to do first is get the drone up in the air, so that's what we're going to do. So we say take off.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, just get that drone up a bit. Just send it over there a bit so it's not in the way. Okay, so there's the drone. Right, so what we do now, we go into the three dots. We go into co-pilot. We then go into the little man, because what it is, it's obviously not going to be following the car as such, it's going to be following this controller. So then we just get the thing set up. If you watch my series of videos in the Maven app, I explain it a lot more. I just want to get straight into it. I don't want to waste too much power on the battery. I'm going to do the top one. Okay.
Co-pilot auto rotation disabled.
Okay. Right. So what it's doing, it's obviously it's to do with the controller. If I move this controller a moment, you can see what I'm on about. So the drone's going to follow the controller. So what I am going to do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send the drone up a little bit higher. Okay, so it's just, see, it's resetting its gimbal. You haven't got to touch nothing. That's what I love about this. Anything I will touch, I'm going to touch the record. So the record's on now. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get into the car and I'll take you through me driving in that direction. That's the plan. I know what's going to happen. My dog's going to... Let's put that there a minute. Okay. Obviously using these tracks, you don't, you know, it's not like I'm not going to be using a busy road. Now we've got a bit of a drop here, so it'd be interesting to see. Right, the dog's coming in the front now. Okay, so I'm just going down the hill gradually because I am on a dirt track. I'm just, well, he's gone in the back again. So we've got a good view of the car at the moment. It's doing well, it's following it, which is the main thing. So it's still following it. It is, yep. Okay. And what it's doing, it's resetting its home point. We've got a couple of people up here in front. Okay, so we got some people here. Okay, we got, now this going to be interesting because we got a bit of a hill here. And obviously remember with the Mini 2 you haven't got obstacle avoidance on it. But that's why I made sure I kept the drone up at a good height. I got a person coming down the path there. He didn't stop, did he? Right, let's see how the drone's doing. I think the drone's doing all right. Okay. How's the drone doing? Should be still following me. It is. That's good. I think the drone's doing really well. I do love this app because of this. It's resetting its home point. Whereas normally, when you got, even if I was using my Fly app, using my active track, it would only do obviously the place that you've taken off from. So if there was a problem with the signal, it would just shoot back there. Whereas at the moment, if there was a problem, it's going to come down very near where the car is at the moment, which is good to see. I think it's doing pretty well. Okay, I'm not going very fast, admittedly. I couldn't go fast anyway on this dirt track. It's not the best of tracks, to be honest, but it gives you an idea. We've got the sea near us as well. The drone's still following us. And don't forget, this is the Mini 2. This ain't like my 3 Pro or my 4 Pro. Okay. We've got another drop here. We've got some people with motorbikes. Yeah. We've got somebody at the top there. Obviously, this is a Sunday Sunday morning, I should say. The drone's still doing well. We've got somebody at the top here. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pull over in a moment, just over there. I don't want to go too far. So I was most impressed with that. It's great to see an old drone, especially like the Mini 2, working so well with the follow me mode. Now obviously, as I said at the beginning, the Fly app does not have that facility. So getting a third party app, even though I've been shown some videos lately on those third party apps, the Mavic I think is the best for that. Much better than the Litchi because it keeps resetting the home point, which I think is pretty important really, because if for some reason I did lose signal, it's going to go right back over there, which to me is a bit of a pain, whereas I can just stop and bring the drone down safely. So good on Mavic for that. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always guys, give it a like, give it a dislike, but just enjoy flying your drone.